Union Minister Sadanand Gowda's son Karthik Gowda finds himself in trouble after a woman accused him of cheating and rape. The model-turned-actress has claimed that she was married to Gowda's son and has levelled the charge of sexual exploitation.
We know each other from 8th May. From then we know each other. This was after election, before the result, we know each other. From then he was like kept calling me, he was talking to me nicely, became very good friend to me, very close friend to me. First of all, we met because in my family they was looking for a groom for my marriage. So for that reason I actually met Karthik. So he promised me that he will going to get married to me and all that, and he got married to me on 5th June 2014 in his Mangalore house.
Who was there? His mother was there?
His mother was not there in Mangalore house. We both were there and driver was there.
Miss, what do you want now? What do you want now?
I want his family to take me as their daughter-in-law, and I will be the very good daughter-in-law to their family.
And he said that the photos are marked photos actually.
No, this is not a marked photos because it's not taken by me or anybody. This is actually taken by his friends in his own phone, so which he sent me through WhatsApp.
ಇದು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಡೀತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಘಾತ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಗಳು ಅದು ತೆರೆದಿಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ನನಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಹುನ್ನಾರ ಅಡಗಿದೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಸಂಶಯಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಕಿಯವರ ಜೊತೆ ಓಡಾಟಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನನ್ನೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಿಂದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಪಘಾತ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅವನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಾರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಏಕಾಏಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈಗ ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ಆರೋಪ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣ ನಾನು ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಾರೋಪ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಲ್ಲ. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೆಂಡತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾರು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥವರನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ವಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಶಯಕ್ಕೆ ಈಡು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳು. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ಒಂದೇ ಏಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಘಾತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ.
All right, Pooja is with us for more on this story. Pooja, the girl of course claims that they had got secretly married and there were pictures to prove the same. The minister himself saying this is an attempt to tarnish his image. What exactly do we know about the case so far?
Well, clearly the very serious allegations being leveled by the complainant, saying that not just did they get secretly married, but also that Sadanand Gowda and his wife were aware of this fact, and despite that, they went ahead and tried to get Karthik Gowda engaged to another girl, which took place in Coorg just yesterday. The complainant here saying that the entire family is trying to cheat her. She has, of course, level charges of rape, kidnap, as well as cheating on Karthik Gowda. In fact, sources have told us that she did consider also including the name of Dati Gowda, the wife of Sadanand Gowda, but at the last minute dropped and only gave complaint against Karthik Gowda. So right now, she has undergone medical tests, and the same will be done with Karthik Gowda as well, who we are told is on his way back from Coorg, where he got engaged yesterday. After that, of course, both of them will be questioned by the police, and only if both the medical test as well as the evidence that the complainant says she has does prove to be concrete, will the police go ahead and arrest Karthik Gowda. Back to you.
I have no information about this. If at all there is any allegation which has been made, the law should take its own course.